Alright guys, so this is Steven at Lasfit, and today we're going to be working on this 2015 Volkswagen Golf, okay? And we're going to be replacing the halogen bulbs, as you can see right now, the low beams. They're going to be using H7, and we're going to be using the Lasfit LA-G2. The low beam, alright, so heard it click. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise, okay? And then pop that out real quick. And there you go, that's your bulb. And what we're gonna be using is gonna be our LA G2s right here. As you can see, these are gonna imitate pretty much your adapter and your connections, okay? These two prongs, the top one's positive, bottom one is negative. That's what's gonna connect into the actual headlight and get powered, okay? So we're gonna put this to the side, make sure you don't throw these away, keep them in place in case you ever need them, because they're still good, okay? And then just gonna work your way in and just take your time, because it is a little bit a tight squeeze in here, but it goes in. Alright, so pretty much it's a tight fit in here, so just take your time. Once it's in, you'll hear it click, okay? And the way you want to have it in, so like that you get an idea of how it's supposed to go in, you want to have both these pins, they're going to be straight, pretty much pointing down, because when you turn them, it'll be this way, and that's where the locking mechanism will be contacting, giving it power to the bulb, okay? So I'll show you now how it looks. So at this point, you're gonna start doing the passenger side, okay? It's a bit much easier, so I'll show you that now, okay? So your bulb is going to be the one closest to the fender, okay? Because a lot of customers tend to go and open the high beam. So we're going to go for the bigger cap one, okay? It's going to be this one, because the actual high beam has a smaller cap, okay? Just put that in place. And then, same thing. Counterclockwise to remove, very easy. And again, you get your bulb. Okay, there it is. I hope you guys were able to hear the little click, but it's in place now. And there you have it. So pretty much at this point you're done. Don't forget to put on your rubber boots or dust caps back on, and you're good to go. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out, okay? Thank you for watching.